Triobet.
Nothing. Congratulations to Žalgiris for the cup. I think that also we played some good game today. That, you know, the difference in the end is production of not a real picture of the result today. This technical foul, what I got in the end produced a little bit of difference, but I think that was a good game. Good for final, you know. And I think that we lost a little bit of our rhythm in the second half and third quarter due to the too early, too fast fouls on Varavović and Bjelica pushed to play a little bit differently.
Iš esmės rungtynės buvo normalios, viskas tvarkojo, tik tai susitikimo pabaigoje tas skirtumas šiek tiek išaugo dėl tos nerimtos techninės pažangos. Taip pat padarėm kelias klaidas, Kenano pražangos buvo ir praradome žaidimo ritmą.
We missed a little bit points from outside, you know, simply Žalgiris step up and play aggressive third quarter and they didn't manage from aggressive game to go into the bonus.
Mes prametėme kelis metimus iš distancijos ir Žalgiris pasinaudojo to, mes spaudimo ir išėjo priekį.
And that was the key of the game.
Ir tai buvo nulemtos rungtynės. Klausimai, prašom. Nebus? Po.
Ačiū.